Hello everyone. We have a question where it says that find the real roots of the equation 18 upon x power 4 plus 1 upon x square equal to 4. We have x power 4 and x square, so we could easily convert this x square and x power 4 into a proper quadratic form, but for that we have to go for substitution process. We know that if we substitute this x square with any variable other than x, like we have done over here, we have written y is equal to x square. That means this x power 4, according to this substitution, y is equals to x square, this x power 4 would become y square. So we have done the same. Instead of x power 4, we have written y square 18 upon y square plus 1 upon x square. Instead of x square, we have written 1 upon y equal to 4. Because the denominator over here is y square, so we have also converted this y into y square by multiplying by y in the numerator and the denominator. So finally we have 18 plus 1 times y is y, and y square at the bottom, a single fraction, equal to 4. Now because it is a single fraction, we can go for a cross multiplication, and this 18 plus y would be equal to 4y square, and finally simply rearrange it and move this positive y over there, make it negative y, moving 18 over there to make it negative 18, and a proper quadratic equation is formed. Once we have a proper quadratic equation, because the question said that find the real roots means finding the values of x, the variable that are. So for that, first we have to find the values of y, because now currently we have the quadratic equation in the form of y because it is a substituted variable. So use the quadratic equation and use the values of a as 4, b as negative 1, and c as negative 18. Place it in the quadratic equation, simplify it and solve it, and get the two values of y, which are 9 upon 4 and negative 2. Keep in mind, these are not the final answers. These are basically the two values of y, which was the substituted variable. Actually we need the values of x. So we have the two values of y. Now again replace it with x square, which was y is equals to x square as the substitute. So instead of y, just write x square equal to 9 upon 4 and x square equal to negative 2. So if we take x square equal to negative 2, definitely this square and this root would definitely finish, because we need the value of x. For that, definitely we will go for taking square root on both sides. But if we take the square root of negative 2, which is not real, and the requirement of the question was find the real roots, so this is not the answer for the given equation. We have another value of y, which is 9 upon 4. We took that 9 upon 4 equal to x square and took the square root on both sides, cancelled this 2 with the root, and we got the value of x as, and for 9 upon 4 with the square root becomes 3 upon 2, because it is a square root, and definitely it would give a positive and a negative value of x. So finally we can say that we have two real roots for the given equation. One is positive 3 upon 2 and one is negative 3 upon 2.